So you guys know that Nicki Minaj is on tour for her Pink Friday 2 tour. And she decided to shade Megan Thee Stallion. You guys go ahead and take a listen.
Guys, I'm sorry, but all of this air is making my voice hoarse. So, and you know I don't fuck with horses. You see, but these pigs just keep playing with the kids. What else you got, boo?
Well, you guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. Moving on to the next topic. So you guys know Tuson started a GoFundMe basically saying that Ari did not pay for his car, even though she said she was going to. She gave him a check and she decided to lower the amount that she gave him, and then eventually there was no check at all. Well, shortly after that, Tuson was exposing the fact that he wasn't getting paid from being on Ari's YouTube channel, because you guys know she has a YouTube channel and she has a cooking segment called Cooking with the Dunn, if I'm not mistaken. He also exposed the fact that when he confronted Ari about the money, she decided to spit in his face.
I congratulated her on the internet. I said, hey, I love my friend. My friend fucks with me. My friend loves me. Check it out. My friend check it out to find out it's all a fucking stunt. Okay, cool. Was told afterwards, oh, it's only 10,000. Me being a dog ass friend, I said, all right, cool. I don't give a fuck. If anybody asks, I'm still saying I got 20. Okay? Didn't to go on and play my face for it to be nothing after I brought up the fact that I want to start receiving money off of this YouTube shit. And then, I still wouldn't have brought it to the internet. Still wouldn't have brought it here until I got spit at. So now
Well, today Ari posted that she got her niece a car. She posted on her Instagram story and said that girl got a car. She also tweeted and said, I always wanted to buy my nieces and nephews their first car, and today I got my first niece her car for her birthday, and I'm so happy. This is really why I work hard to take care of my family. So when people see this, they were like, what happened to Tuson car? Like, why did you take the money back? So someone said, you took your stuff back, and Ari responded and said, wrong. I sent the money to the dealership and the MF tried to get a car in a CPN, and I had no idea of that ish because it's effing illegal, and they voided the application and sent me my money back. Find y'all blah blah blah, somebody to play with. And then someone else said, you supposed to wait to spill the tea for the show. Stop letting these people bait you just to get on the blogs. Now, instead of you focusing on a good deed you did for your niece, it's about the other situation. I'd rather you stay on Snapchat. And Ari responded and said, the show can't talk about anything illegal, and this ain't got ish. Trust me. Make sure you tune the F in for the hashtag The Impact ATL, airing October 17th only on BET Plus. So if that's what really did happen, Tuson is messed up for putting the narrative out that Ari decided not to pay for the car and basically made her seem like a bad friend because people was dragging her all over social media. Now, allegedly, her story is she paid for the car, she sent the money to the dealership, and Tuson basically was doing something illegal that he had no business doing. The dealership found out and sent her money back. Now, if Tuson has something to say, I will update you guys on it. But like I said, if this is true, Tuson is wrong because you made it seem like your friend gave you this $20,000 check. It went to a $10,000 check, then she didn't give you no money at all. You confronted her about it and she spit in your face. Maybe she did that because you was out here doing illegal stuff and she's sending money and her name's gonna be tied to the illegal stuff. Guys, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
What you doing?
Rich, do you not want me to take your shoe off?
No.
You doing that weird one. Small back, medium back girl.
Medium back.
Somebody ain't small,
It ain't small, it ain't big, it ain't small, but it ain't what it need to be.
Small, medium, large. Small, medium, large, extra large. That's how we do that.
That ain't what me and Mike said earlier, but I'm gonna leave it alone.
Okay, what am I saying? Your hole is what? Your hole is big.
What the fuck was that?
What was that?
What the fuck is you on?
Just there.
Bitch, you wanna? See that?
Somebody calling me. What's up?
Oh, hi, Ariana. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Phone about
Don't let us lose.
Bluetooth वाला Bluetooth
Yeah,
वाला.
give us the battle. Boom, boom, boom. Knock him out.
What is it?
Where are you from?
Bow, 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 bow. Fuck my baby dad.
From
Bow,
Milagro.
bow,
From
bow.
Milagro. Thank you. Siapa nak kira nama baru sebab you know ya.
Where we winning? Where you at? Where are you?
I am from Pakistan. Where are you from? UK. You from UK?
How you fucking?
Welcome everyone. Welcome.
No. I'm sorry. I don't know. What is what?
Thank you once for thank you. कहाँ का? माशाल्लाह.
How you, what you call it? How you in
Gotta get back in there.
Are we gonna go to the next call?
Wait,
How you hang up, my boy?
wait. Let me see. Let me look at the phone. I'm sorry.
Oh, shit, come on.
You can't say that on TikTok.